everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Mara and I do sewing projects like transforming old clothes into new ones. So for today's video, I tried to transform my school uniform into a tennis skirt. Since this skirt is stuck for a long time, I tried to transform it as a daily outfit so I can wear it all the time. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this jacket into my waistline. I'm just going to renew in the widest part and face the pleats in the right side. Then I decided to remove the pleats by pressing it with iron because it's easier to make new pleats when the fabric is flat. By the way, I have a complete tutorial how to make a tennis skirt. I'll just link it in the description box. Then I sew the top of the pleats with a straight stitch so they stay together. And from the top of the pleats, I mark the 5 inches and top stitch the edge of it. After sewing all the pleats, I attach the waistband. I also shorten the skirt to my desired length. And finally, hem it with a double fold.